Welcome back to Cars Updates, where we keep you in the loop on all things automotive. Today we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Audi Q5, a luxury SUV that combines elegance with cutting-edge technology. So let's dive right in and see what makes this vehicle a standout choice in the competitive SUV market. The design. Starting with the design, the 2025 Audi Q5 exudes sophistication and modernity. Its striking silhouette features a bold front grille framed by sleek LED headlights, giving it a commanding presence on the road. The lines are clean and dynamic, enhancing both style and aerodynamics. Audi has also introduced new color options for 2025, allowing buyers to customize their Q5 to fit their personal taste. The rear design is equally impressive, with a sporty liftgate and elegant taillights that complete the overall look. This SUV is not just about aesthetics, it's crafted with high-quality materials, ensuring a premium feel from every angle. Interior. Step inside, and you'll find a meticulously designed interior that combines luxury with functionality. The Q5 offers ample space for both passengers and cargo, making it an ideal choice for families or anyone needing extra room. The front seats are plush and supportive, featuring available heating and ventilation options for ultimate comfort. The centerpiece of the dashboard is the advanced infotainment system, complete with a large touchscreen display and intuitive controls. Audi's MMI interface is user-friendly, offering seamless smartphone integration and navigation capabilities. Ambient lighting throughout the cabin adds a touch of elegance, while high-quality materials and finishes create an upscale atmosphere. Performance. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Audi Q5 doesn't disappoint. Under the hood, you'll find a powerful turbocharged four-cylinder engine that delivers 261 horsepower, providing brisk acceleration and a responsive driving experience. For those seeking more power, an available V6 option offers even greater performance. The Q5 is equipped with Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system, which enhances traction and stability in various driving conditions, from rain-soaked streets to snowy trails. The suspension is finely tuned to offer a smooth ride, while still providing agile handling that makes this SUV fun to drive. Plus, with impressive fuel efficiency ratings for its class, you won't have to sacrifice economy for performance. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay updated on the latest automotive news, make sure to like and subscribe to Cars Updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.